Welcome to day 2 of my 30-day series on 30 ways founders can save time and money using Canva. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how to create various graphics using Canva and how to also use your brand template, maybe your brand color, hard logo. Everything is in this package. So stay tuned while I show you this video. It's just a less than 3-minute video. Canva right now and I've opened to template. So now you want to go to category. What kind of category the graphic design do you want to create? So is it Instagram post or Pinterest or story or poster or blog graphic? Whatever graphic you want to, you select it. There are many options there. There is email signature, Twitter header, email header, even mug. If you want to design your mug, you can do it. LinkedIn profile picture, recipe card, the lists are endless. Infographics, whatever you, or is it virtual invitation, whatever you want to do, you can select your category. So let's say in my category I want to select Instagram post. I want to create this for Instagram. Then it's going to bring many options for me. Can you see it? Now under this option I'll click on style. There is modern, there is illustration, but I want something colorful, so I can scroll to colorful and I'll create something related to that. I'm trying to scroll. Okay, yes, I found the option colorful. Then I'll click on colorful. So it's going to give me colorful design, and you can see this design. Then I can just click on any one of these design and start using it. So let's say I want to use one of these design. I can easily click on it. For instance, I think I saw something like an infographics. Look at it. Even when you click on it here, you will still see more options. You can see the option that is showing. You can still select more, or you go with the one you've chosen. So I'm going with this one I've already chosen. Then I click on customize this template for me. And remember, I told you the importance of having brand color, brand font and all that. So once you already have your brand color and brand font, you don't need to waste much time. You turn it to your brand color. And how can you do it? You go to your brand color and change the color. For instance, you can change this color. Go to brand. You must have your brand here. Then you can change the color to this. You can shovel it, shovel the design, or you see now, I'm trying to shovel it. This is an automatic one. You see, different color. So that is how you can do it. Then for the font, you can change the font. Click on the font, then scroll down. If you already have branded colors saved on your Canva, you can just use the brand font like this. It can even tell you that should they change all to that font. You can change it to different fonts, increase the sizes, you know, change the title size. You can even add effects to it. You can click on effects and add effects to your design, and boom, you are good to go. This is very easy to do, and it saves a lot of time once you have a lot of things on ground. And this is where we're going to stop today. I will see you in my next video, which I'll be talking to you about how you can create Canva, create your logo, how you can create logo using Canva. All right, bye for now.